Hey friends, today we are going to see how to use Kotlin for Android application development. Please take some time to go through the developer website to know the working of Kotlin in Android. A comparison study about the syntax of both code is provided on the website. Please take some time to go through that. Now to start with the development, we have to download Android Preview 3.0. And let's go ahead and do that. I've already done it, so I'm going to skip this step. You guys can continue with it. After completing the download, you have to copy the file onto the location where you are having your stable Android Studio version. Open the preview version, then bin folder. You can find your exe file in there. Simply double click and install the application. On completing the installation, you can start the Android Studio preview version. Now let us create a new Android project. Everything looks same, but what you need to do is that you have to check in, include Kotlin support. That is the only difference that you should make in here. Let's continue with it. Let's start an empty activity. Let's finish it. We're finished with configuration. Now this is our environment. Now the key difference between Java-based development and Kotlin-based development is the extension of the file. You should see that main activity is having an extension .kt. Usually it is Java. Since development environment has changed its code, it is KT. The extension has changed to KT. That's it. The rest all are same. Now there's a change in the syntax, but which is quite similar to Java, so you don't have to worry about it. Take some time to go through the syntax. You can overcome it. Let's run this application and see. Everything is good and fine. And it is installing the application. Yes, that's it. We are done. Now let's make some change. Let's add a button and let's add a click event in the button. Let's add an ID to the button. Let's align it to center. Yep, we are done with the XML. Now let's start with Kotlin. We have to declare an object, and the declaration process is a bit different from Java, but overall it looks same. Now since this is a button, we have to add as button, which acts as a typecasting process. Now let's add a click event. Let's try to pop up a toast. Let it be hello world. Let's run the application and see. Yes, we are done with it. Now let's click the button. Yes, it's working fine. Now, let's see how to get rid of find view by ID, which is a new property introduced. Now to do so, we have to add Kotlin extension into your Gradle file, which I'm going to do now. Let me show it. Simply add apply plugin and then the name of the extension, that is Kotlin Android extension. And simply build the application. Yes, we are done with that. Now let's see how to get rid of find view by ID. Now let's comment this session and we'll add the same code again. Now instead of val button, we are going to directly provide the ID in here, button underscore toast dot set on click listener, then the same code to pop up a toast. That's it. Let's run it and see. Yes, it's working. Now let us see how to integrate Java files within Kotlin. Now that is an important feature as per the documentation. So let's see whether we can use a Java method in Kotlin. I'm going to create a new class. Let's make a method. Let it be public static. Get value. Let us return hello world. Now let's change the string. Let's invoke the method in here. It is utility dot get value. That's it. Now so far so good. We didn't encounter any errors, and let's run it and see. Yeah, we are done. Let's see how it looks. Amazing, it works. So we can use Java within Kotlin. So that is wonderful. Now we have created an application, sample application, and we have integrated Java code within it. And now let's see how to migrate existing Java-based application into Kotlin-based application. I already have a simple hello world application developed in using Java. Now let's try to migrate it into Kotlin. Let me browse, and yes, hello world underscore Java is a file where I maintained it. Yes, we have my application, which is purely Java based. Now I've opened it. Now let's see how to migrate it. See, this is purely Java based. We cannot find any Kotlin code in here. And now let's find the action convert Java file to Kotlin. Simply click Ctrl Shift A, and a pop-up will come and provide convert Java to Kotlin. Then automatically it will convert your application to Kotlin application. And now see the difference. It has completely converted into Kotlin. which is quite similar with the application which we created initially. So that's it. There's a way we can migrate a Java-based Android application to Kotlin-based Android application. Now let's run it. Yes, it's working. So that's it for today. And if you like the video, please don't hesitate to click the like button. And thank you for watching the video.